There's a lot of people who would like to get paid to tutor other people. And there's safe money in teaching other people. I'm not so interested in teaching people for money because I don't think that I have the necessary qualities to be a good teacher on a really granular level. I'm better at maybe addressing like 70 people here in Prague and then give them the notes so that they can work through it themselves. I'm not the one who's perhaps hand-holding them like a personal coach. Well, I make more money from trading than I would from person, unless you can afford to pay me £5,000 a day, which very few people can do anyway. But I also I'm distressed as a more mature person, because it feels to me as the qualifying factor for these educators is to show the world that they have a penthouse or a Ferrari or a Bugatti. The deciding factor of whether you really become a successful trader, to me, is how do you handle losing? Because everybody can have good periods, but it's usually the losing periods that will kill you. Most educators will focus just on the winning, not realizing that showing vulnerability is actually a strength.